Why do people struggle even when God gives guidance?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because Jeremiah spoke to people who kept hearing wisdom but struggled to change their direction. Let's slow down and look carefully. Many people in Jeremiah's time wanted comfort more than truth. This might surprise you. The brain naturally resists change when unhealthy habits feel familiar and emotionally comfortable. Most people miss this part. Jeremiah himself also struggled emotionally while carrying difficult messages. Here is the deeper layer. Human struggle often happens when emotions, fear, and habits become stronger than wisdom and reflection.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Jeremiah warned people gently and repeatedly over many years. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. People slowly became emotionally comfortable with unhealthy patterns. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. Jeremiah often felt sadness because people ignored wisdom even when help was available. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Honest reflection helps people recognize harmful habits before deeper damage happens. 5. This connects directly to real life. Many people today still ignore emotional warning signs until stress becomes overwhelming. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Repeated choices slowly train the brain to move toward wisdom or avoidance.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Repeated habits slowly strengthen emotional pathways. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. The brain learns comfort patterns through repetition. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Fear and avoidance become stronger when repeated daily. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Honest reflection slowly becomes easier with practice. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. People slowly become more emotionally aware or more emotionally reactive. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Repeated choices quietly shape thinking, emotions, and behavior over time.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. Many people avoid difficult conversations because discomfort feels stressful. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Fear can quickly push people toward denial or avoidance. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Emotional exhaustion slowly weakens wise decision-making. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated avoidance slowly creates larger emotional problems. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Distractions often keep people too busy to reflect honestly about their inner life.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Emotional growth usually starts quietly. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily reflection slowly builds emotional awareness. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain slowly becomes more comfortable with honesty and correction. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Calm self-reflection slowly feels less uncomfortable. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character. Just like small streams slowly carve deep paths through rock over time.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially during emotional stress. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Honest emotions help the brain process more clearly. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one honest conversation matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Emotional growth usually develops slowly. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow. Because growth loves consistency, small honest habits slowly reshape the heart and mind.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Spend 1 quiet minute reflecting honestly today. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. Even one truthful thought matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully. Notice when fear or avoidance tries to take control. 4. Adjust without quitting. Emotional growth happens through repeated practice. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again. Small wise choices slowly create stronger emotional resilience. Remember, emotional honesty is not weakness, it is often the beginning of wisdom and healing. God cares deeply about what is happening inside the heart because repeated habits slowly shape the brain and character. Every small truthful and faithful choice is helping your emotions, thinking, and relationships grow stronger over time. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.